Welcome back to part 2 of Clean With Me in my craft room. Last week we worked on getting all of the candles and candle supplies all organized and it looks amazing. And we also worked on the rack that's right over here that has all of the items that I sell on my website and is all organized. Behind me is the rack that I put all of my current items that I'm decorating with. As a content creator, I have a lot of items that I use regularly. And this rack is supposed to be everything that I'm currently using, but it's got Easter in there, it's got fall in there, and have a lot of things that I need to put on there, and I don't have room. So that's what we're working on today. I wanted to show you this really cool birdhouse that my uncle made for me. Everything is from my grandfather's barn, and I just think it's really cool. I had somebody else give me this one. It also is from my grandfather's barn. So keepsakes to me, what would you do? Would you put them outside? I really don't want to because I just want to keep them perfect as they are. But what would you do? I don't have them displayed anywhere, and they are really cool.
Now that my dining room table was full of Easter items, I went ahead and got everything packed up and put away for Easter. But I wanted to show you how funny it is in my dining room right now, because as in every room of my house, it feels like I have multiple seasons going on. And in this case, I have a fall picture, I have a spring centerpiece below it, and then I have a fall centerpiece on my dining room table, which I just made in a Design With Me video. So if you're interested in seeing how I design centerpieces, I will link that video in the description box below. So anyways, that's just a look at a day in my life. I'm so glad that you were here with me today. I would love it if you would subscribe, and we'll see you next time.